Enjoy the value of bringing nature to you by making a simple bird feeder out of items from around your house. Turn an empty 2-liter into a bird feeder for the cost of a soda. Using a utility knife or scissors, cut 2 holes on each side, about 3 inches from the bottom. These holes should be big enough for a bird's beak to reach inside. The birds will need a perch while snacking, so use a screwdriver or hole punch to create a small hole under each of the larger holes, and then insert a pencil or dowel rod through the small holes. Use a funnel to pour birdseed into the top of the bottle. Fill to the bottom edge of the feeding holes and replace the cap tightly. Tie a string below the lip of the bottle below the cap, making sure that it's secure. Tie the other end of the string around a tree branch, awning, or any elevated position you choose. The feeder should be high enough off the ground to keep off cats and squirrels. Be sure to pick a spot by a window where the scene can be enjoyed from inside your home. Need more expert advice? Stop by your local True Value hardware store and ask a hardwarian. Behind every project is a true value.